I always say creativity starts from the stomach. That is why it's so important what we eat and drink, because the stomach is the engine to the brain. Hello, my name is Gregor Wenter. I'm the owner of Bad Cergau here in Val Sarentino, Italy. 2017, I took over the management of Bad Cergau. We started to rethink completely the design of the hotel. The second big change we introduced was our new kitchen idea called La Fuga, Laboratory for Future Gastronomy. It's my belief that we have to run Bad Cergau not like a hotel, but like a private house. When I walk around the hotel, I need to feel good about it, so my guests can feel good as well. Yeah, this is one of my favorite rooms here. When you feel the wood, when you smell as well the wood, this room is incredible. I love it here. Inspiration comes from a lot of places. It comes from our surroundings. Sometimes I hike to the mountaintops. It really inspired me to formulate new ideas. But mostly, inspiration comes from conversation. I talk to people all day. The art is to translate it into design. For me, designs need to be clear and simple, but with a certain kick. One of the important ideas for us is to inform the world about the brands we offer. It reflects who we are. So branding is very important to us. We have our natural skincare cosmetic, Tris. Then we have our healing and hip hotel. And of course, La Fuga, a new gastronomy concept based on fermentation processes. My favorite architectural element at Bad Cergau is the Seppelstodel. The star of the Stadler is the kitchen block. The inspiration for it came from conversations with Dobi, the local stonemason. He said, we need to pick a stone that we can read, that we can feel. Frankly, I felt absolutely nothing. But Toby felt the stone. That day I learned that I have to trust people. The inspiration for the myLEGRABOX design came from the kitchen block. The stone has a certain touch, texture and specific color. I wanted to create a design for the myLEGRABOX that had these qualities. If you touch the texture of the myLEGRABOX, it gives me the same feeling as when I add the stone of the kitchen. And of course, we branded with the La Fuga logo because La Fuga will be a role model for the next generation.